will be about digging Karel. So this is the example from 2.2.1, I believe. And in this lesson, we want to try to write a program that is going to have Karel put 3 balls at the end of each of these holes. So if you look at result world on the left here, this is what it's supposed to look like at the end with Karel up top there. If you're ever confused about what your assignment is asking you to do, you can always go over here and click on assignment as well, and it'll show you. But let's go back to run code. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we need to figure out what commands are needed for Karel to go down the hole and put the ball. Okay, so we will need a move. We'll need a move. We'll need a turn right. Not defined yet, but we need to do that in a sec. And then we'll need a move again. Move. Move. Right, 3 times, and then put ball. Let's see what this says. We're going to hit run, up, and it says Karel does not know what turn right is. Okay, because we have not defined it yet. Function turn right. And then we're going to go ahead and run this program. It's always a good idea to run your program after you add new commands or change it up a little bit, just to see how it impacts what Karel does. Well, I'm going to slow that down a little bit. I did not see that. So we're going to reset. I had it all the way on the rabbit. See the rabbit and the turtle here? This will speed up how fast your program is run. Awesome. So it looks like we have the commands for bury ball, right? We'll need function turn around. Oof, not a P. Turn around. We're going to reset and then run our code. Awesome. I want to go ahead and make a function called, let's say like function leave hole or go up. I'll say leave hole. Speed it up a little bit. We got more commands here. Right here. We're going to go ahead and turn right. We'll go ahead and make this our function bury ball. We're going to use bury ball now that we've defined it. We're going to reset and run. Okay, then we're going to have move to get to this next hole. Move. Awesome. We're going to reset again. Move. Bury ball. Reset, run. Awesome. Works. Now we just need one more move, it looks like, to finish off this program. Reset, run. There we go. Now let's go ahead and check the code. And it looks like we met all green. I used 1, 2, 3, 4 different functions to help define 4 different functions to run this program. You can do it in less or more if you like. I've seen so many different answers that are all awesome, and it's really cool to see how each of these lessons allows you to have different solutions to the same problem. If we were using the start function, it would look something like this. Function start. Go ahead and put all of your commands inside the curly bracket of the start function, but you never call the start function, right? So this is all you would need to do. You would have all of your defined functions outside of the start function. You don't want those inside the start function.